So it just has 3 ingredients: instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. So I'm just gonna add the sugar first, I guess. Coffee. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of each. And I'm hoping that'll be enough for 2 cups. Okay, and I'm not using a whisk. I'm gonna use this kind of a whisk and see how long it takes. Because I know the hand whisk takes about 15 minutes. I just want to give a little update here. It's definitely thickening. It's more frothy right now. And it's only been 2 minutes using this. So my recommendation definitely is to use some type of a blender or something like that. I could have broke out the Ninja, and probably if I wasn't recording I'd just throw it all into the Ninja and just blend it real quick. Getting very frothy. Pretty neat. I've been putting this off because I thought it would take like a ridiculous amount of time to whip it, but hopefully we can get this done within 5 minutes. Alright, fast forward again. So here we are about 20 minutes in, and it's getting noticeably thicker, alright? But oh my goodness, 20 minutes in, and it smells like instant coffee. I have no doubt that it's not going to taste that good. I'm already coming up ways to kind of spice it up a little bit, so maybe we'll have a little syrup or something like that we're adding to make it better. But okay, gonna continue. It's been a long time. I feel like we're just evaporating all that water until it gets to the right consistency. So maybe if I ever felt inclined to do this again, I might just cut back a tad on the water, and that might be enough. I don't know. So normally I would not let Dean come near food, and he knows better. But this is where I usually do my crafts, so he thinks it's some type of a craft. See, he even knows better. He's like, that smells like that coffee that she's always drinking. I better stay away, I'll get yelled at. Yes, so he's a very good cat. He does not mess with food. But he's a little confused. He's like, what, is she doing a project? What is she doing? Why does it smell like coffee? So is that the key? Should I make all my crafts smell like coffee to keep him away? Maybe. I'm like 24 minutes in. This is crazy. It's getting thick though. This battery is hot. I don't know if the battery's going. It's like, I can't do this anymore. The combination of the battery going for 20 minutes and then also it thickening up. I don't know. Like, it's not. Alright, so it won't mix anymore. It's too thick. Alright, I might have to get a hand whisk. It's just too thick. Thought I had a little hand whisk, but we don't, so. Probably should have done this from the beginning. Would have been done. Instead of a half an hour in, trying to be lazy. It is a long journey to get here. Basically, you have to use this whisk. You have to. You're going to go through a thickening stage and kind of a gloopy stage. Then it's going to be like melted ice cream. It'll be like cake batter. And then finally you're going to get this kind of whipped cream. And I've been working at this for about 50 minutes because I use the electric thing. It just doesn't work. You have to use the whisk to get it right. So I think this is about ready. It's gotten lighter. It is the color of peanut butter, but it's more of a whipped cream, a soft whipped cream. A melted soft serve texture. Again, Dean's not being bad. He doesn't know that this is not a craft. I'm too tired to correct him. Alright. So, now that we've gotten this, look at that. I'm never going to complain about doing meringue again, I'll tell you that. I'm never going to complain about beating egg whites, ever. So usually you start with hot milk. Alright, so I'm using indulgent caramel flavor. Warm milk, right? Or hot milk. And then you just kind of scoop this on top, right? Floats. We're adding ice.